Have you ever used or seen someone use a device to locate timber behind your walls? These fascinating devices are called stud finders, and in this video, I'll explain how these instruments work. Stud finders are everyday tools that have transformed the way we hang pictures, mount shelves, and ensure wall safety, but their workings are more fascinating than most people realize. Before stud finders, locating studs was a hit or miss endeavor. People tapped walls, hammered nails to test firmness, or used small pivoting magnets to find metal fasteners embedded in walls. These methods were slow, imprecise, and often frustrating. In the early 20th century, magnetic stud finders appeared, using internal magnets to detect nails or screws in wall studs. While an improvement over manual methods, they had limitations in precision and depth. Then, in 1977, Robert Franklin introduced the first electronic stud finder, using capacitive sensors to detect changes in wall density, a huge leap in accuracy and reliability. Stud finders generally fall into two main categories, magnetic and electronic, with some advanced models using radar technology. Magnetic stud finders detect metal fasteners like nails or screws embedded in the wall. As the magnet moves across the surface, it is drawn toward the metal, and the point of strongest attraction usually indicates the location of the stud. These devices are simple, affordable, and especially effective for older homes with lath and plaster walls containing metal mesh. Electronic stud finders, by contrast, detect changes in wall density by measuring variations in the dielectric constant, which is a material's ability to store electrical energy. When the sensor passes over a stud, the reading changes, showing a higher density area. These offer greater precision and can detect studs deeper in walls, making them ideal for modern drywall. Some advanced stud finders even use radar technology. These devices send radio waves into the wall and analyze the reflections to distinguish different materials. They can identify studs, pipes, wires, leaks, or even detect motion caused by pests. Radar-based finders are particularly useful for older buildings with lath and plaster walls, where traditional electronic finders may struggle. Choosing the right stud finder depends on the wall type and your needs. Magnetic stud finders are inexpensive and work well for detecting metal fasteners. Electronic stud finders provide deeper detection and are greater for drywall. Radar-based finders offer advanced scanning capabilities and can identify a variety of hidden objects behind walls. The science behind stud finders is grounded in physics. Magnetic models rely on magnetic fields to detect metal. Electronic and radar-based models use electromagnetic fields to sense changes in wall density. These tools, though small and simple to use, rely on centuries of scientific principles and modern engineering to make the invisible visible.